Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Let's learn basic math in Python in just 1 minute. Python makes math super easy. You can use variables to store numbers like a equals 10 and b equals 3. Then we can use the symbols to do the operations. For example, this symbol is the addition. So a plus b gives 13. A minus b gives the subtraction, which is 7. A multiplied by b, it is going to give us number 30. A divided by b, it is going to give us 3.33. And finally, we are having the modulo operator, which is going to calculate the remainder of the division of a by b, which is number 1 in this case. These are the building blocks for any calculation in Python. Try changing the numbers and playing around. Math in Python is clear and clean and fun. So because we are also using the print function, we see the output here in the terminal. Thank you for watching.